Hey everybody, it's Karen Barbee. We just came off of a super exciting weekend here in San Antonio with a ton of live music, and I told myself I'm going to put on my contact lenses and a bunch of makeup and do a video to talk to y'all about GoLive. It's not going to happen, but I'm still going to talk to you about GoLive. So GoLive is the brainchild of myself and my buddy, Michael Ibrahim, the founder and conductor of the National Era Orchestra. We both kind of had this idea, and we decided to partner up and give it a shot last year. Yeah, that was Michael playing for me last year at GoLive. You're welcome. GoLive is a 3-day event held here in San Antonio, Texas. It puts the focus on live music, specifically improvisation, and why it's important. It includes lots of musicians, including the Lammam Ensemble, which also means we get Susu Pampanin. We have our own local Isaac Lopez and his band, that's Isaac and the Ghafour brothers band from Houston, Texas. Those are guys I've worked with for 30 years. Our teachers this year will be Tamalyn Dallal, the elegant legend from New Orleans, Louisiana, and my buddy from right down I-10 in Houston, Texas, the high-energy, gorgeous Sahira. And me. 5 workshops, 3 evening shows, 1 full afternoon of open stage, all to live music. There's a lot more that needs to be said about GoLive. It's an incredible event, but I'm still recovering from the weekend. There'll be more news to come, right, Cocoa Puff? Right.